Hi guys, Ben from Northeast Prospecting here, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be cleaning one of our cool metal detecting finds and seeing if we can restore it back to its former glory. Our target today will be none other than a 1947 Australian Florin. These beautiful coins come in at 50% silver, so I'm interested to see how well this one will clean up. Before we get stuck into the restoration process, we will need a few supplies. Firstly, our media, in this case 1947 Australian Florin. Secondly, some baking soda. Thirdly, we will be using white vinegar for this process. And lastly, we'll be putting our newly acquired Andres pencils to work. Righto, let's get straight into it. Firstly, we will give the coin a quick scrub in bicarb vinegar solution. You want to add just enough bicarb to cover the coin. Next, you want to add a little vinegar, not too much, or you'll end up with one of those science class volcanoes. Nailed it. Now we let it sit for around 5 minutes. This allows the mixture to start working its magic against the crud that's built up on our coin. If you watch closely, you can see the carbon dioxide gas bubbles lifting the dirt from the coin. After 5 minutes or so, you can take a soft brush or a cloth and begin to gently scrub the coin in a circular motion. An old toothbrush works wonders here. Surprisingly enough, using a red toothbrush is not quicker versus other colours. As you can see, the coin is still quite dirty, but we are making progress. Using a circular motion while cleaning the coin will ensure an even exposure to the cleaning process. Applying a gentle amount of pressure here will help get those last few baked on bits loosened right off. Watching the details in the coin start to pop out looks really cool. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty here. In fact, using your thumbs works really well to help break up that stubborn dirt. See how the coin is starting to really shine is a great indicator we're getting close to the detailing process. One last final rinse in the bicarb vinegar solution and we are ready for the fun part. As you can see, the coin is looking much better already, but with the help of Andres cleaning pencils, I think we can get a little more detail out of this gorgeous coin. Firstly, I will start with the fiberglass pencil, concentrating on a couple of the sections that need more attention. As exciting as it is to see your dull coin starting to come to life, try not to rush this process, as any slips can cause permanent damage to your prized coins. The pencil you see me grab there quickly is a fine steel wool brush. This is great for lightly sweeping away any loose debris without any risk of damaging the coin. As you can see, within a matter of moments of using the right tools for the job, you can take your coin to the next level of the restoration process. And now for the final reveal. I absolutely love how well this coin came up. I was able to really get into a few of the finer details using Andres cleaning pencils and really get them to pop. Stay tuned to the channel as I'll have a few more of these popping up from time to time. As always, I'm Ben from Northeast Prospecting. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time out in the field.